Hey, I'm just Roscoe and we're back in Software Inc. And all our teams are busy. I say busy. Our core team's busy. We've set up a 2D team in the last episode to be automated. They're designing D-Room Plus 2. I was just about to say they don't seem to be doing anything, and now they are. They're coming up with a sequel, which is what we wanted. We wanted them to deal with everything. What's your issues, people? Burglars, yes, I know we did have burglars. They did get away with some servers, and that was it. Money-wise, we made £12.8 million, which is good. We got £45,000 from dividends, which I would like to buy into some more smaller companies. Like if we go all companies, I've been looking down here. So we got this in founded order. So these are all the newest companies down here. So Fly LLC. In their bank, they've got 10 million. They're worth 17 million. They've only released one product, which was a computer. Computer what? Operating system. They do an operating system. It wasn't very good, but it has made a profit of 17 million pound. Ooh, details. Not publicly listed. Oh, that's really annoying. I wanted you. What about you? Details not publicly listed. So how far up do we have to go before they're publicly listed? Okay, you're publicly listed, Alpha Studio. You're worth £20 million. You've done one product. Let's have a look what product you did. You did an operating system for a console. It's made, profit-wise, 2.6 million. Not a lot, actually. It's outstanding quality. A console operating system, which we could use all our games on and only our operating system, which would boost the sales of our operating system, right? Is that how it works? I'm going to go details. We're going to try and buy some of that company, which we just did. So now we are a small shareholder. We don't own a lot. We own 12.6%. So that is a company I'd like to buy into. Ageface. Are you publicly listed? Not publicly listed. You've had 11 products. And you're not worth a lot of money at all. Not publicly listed. Can we see what your products were? What are you doing? Audio tools. They're in the market of competing with me. Ooh. You're not doing well though, are you? Let's be fair. Your worth is 4.5 million. There's people under you doing a lot better. You were founded in 1989. You're worth quite a bit of money. Not really. 4 million. Seriously. You've done one product. What product is that? Operating system. They all make operating systems. Quality good. Are you publicly listed? No. Oh, this is so annoying. We need more companies, actually. There doesn't seem to be many companies at all at the moment. Drive Productions. You've had 2 products. Are you publicly... No one's publicly listed. Are you? Yes, you are. Okay. How many products have you had? 5. You've had 5 products. All games as well. That's not bad, because we are going into the gaming market. Profit-wise, wow, 107 million on that game. They've had some good hits. I'm actually tempted. What was their latest game? 91. You did a game, adventure, what's it called? Grave Tricks 2. And what, you've got 500,000 active users. How much would it cost to trade that? 80 million? What? What? How much would it cost me to get shares in you? So we've got 2 people selling shares. 5.9 million, which I'm going to buy. And you're 21 million, which again, I'm going to buy. So now we have shares in a couple more companies, which I think is good. Even if we don't take them over, we've got dividends coming in from them. Can't keep up with support for Silent Base 90. I know, there's just so many people. Do we need a bigger support team? Is that what we're saying? Because, like, let's have a look at our support team. There should be about 24 people, which there is. 22 on evenings. Maybe we should add another floor. Which is just mad. Or we could build a new building over here for support. Because I feel like I didn't want that to get any taller. I wanted the outside building to be taller than this one. So I'm not sure if I want support there or if I want to build a dedicated support center. That might be something for the... What are we in? Wait, let me check. September. I didn't want to miss a date for our releases because I did that with Hospital Manager Back in Action. Which is that top one, right? We've still got 77,000 users on the original Hospital Manager. People don't... Oh, D-Room's gone down to 3,000. I might stop support on that because support is struggling at the moment. They just are. Product-wise, Audio Tool is what we're most famous for, which is good. 2D Editor's going up and Game is going up, which is good. Alpha Studios is selling more shares, are they? Ooh, wait. So does that mean we've only got 2.6% of the shares now? Which are you? You're the operating system console, right? And they've sold a lot of shares apparently. 3.9 million, we'll take that. 22 million. Wow. I'm going to take it. Wait there, so are we not the majority shareholder in this company now? Surely. 31.9%. 25%, 25%. So if I bought one more, basically this is our company now. Oh, I love it. We could do a takeover for 114 million, which is just ridiculous. I think once we make a bit more money, we may buy this outstanding share here, which will give us pretty much control of the company. But at this point, I just want to get those games out. I want to make some more money because we just spent 49 million plus the 14 million from the month before. Just lots and lots of money, which is not good. Let's check out messages. Is there anything interesting that I need to know? Not really. So let's get rid of... No. Go away. I don't care if you don't like people. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, you've died. Oh, I'm sorry. Did we give you some money? Quit. Dead. So we did. We released, what, 1990... Did we give you a payout? I hope so. Yeah, we did. £77,000. That's not a bad payout for dying, I suppose. Although I'd imagine living would be better. Where are we up to? We're about to hit the next day, so we should start seeing a profit again up here. We did not see a profit. Oh! Oh my god. How... What? Lost World of Eba is overdue. How did I do that? There's too much to think about now. I'm getting all confused. We need to get some of these automated. That's what we need to do. Release. Yes, release. Budget 50,000 because we need to make it up that you're overdue. That's not 50,000, right? 50,000? I think that's good. We're going to go okay. We're going to go yes. We want... I'm going to go 500,000 because it is the first time we've gone into this market. Because this is we've basically done 2 simulation games so far. And this is an adventure game, if I remember correctly. Yes, adventure. So what's going on? Yeah, so you're coming out in November. We've just released... Oh, look, the World... the Bamba one. Ember. Ebba. World of Ebba is out. I would like to see how many of those we sell. Journey of Bamba is coming out now. So we're going to release that as well. This is good. I can stop worrying about what's coming out when. 50,000. Done. Yes. Again, 500,000, I think. just to make, like, I don't want to overdo it with copies. So we're marketing you, so you can go up to somewhere here. There's a lot of marketing going on at the minute. Silent Base 94 is plodding along nicely. We're on iteration 2. You are working on D-Room +2, so we can ignore you anyway. Double Vision, how are you doing? I think we need to get a review on that, because you seem to be actually doing very well. Support is fine. They're okay. They are going to struggle. I do think we need more support teams. So I am tempted to expand them. Because Silent Base 90 has just got 1,100. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Let's go forward. What did we make a loss on? Distribution. Oh, yeah, because we paid to have those copies printed. That's fine. 39 million lost, but we spent 49 million on stock, so we still would have made 10 million. Let's end that, and let's see what the review for our new 3D software is. Do you know what? That's actually really good. I'm not upset about that at all. I'm going to iterate it, which I think we're only going to need to iterate once. That's very good. Oh, get the iteration done. I reckon we'll be able to start marketing that soon. I think marketing is going to go ahead on that. We can get some followers. We can introduce ourselves to the 3D market. Yes, you're overdue. I know that was my bad. Silent Base 90 does not meet demand. Oh, there's so much going on. Where's Silent Base 90? Is this in release order? There we go, 92. Silent Base 90. How many have you got in stock? Not enough. So order copies, 500,000. There we go. Lovely. Get that going. That's good. We'll close that because we fixed that issue. I do want to see what sort of money we make now because we've got 2 new games on the market. Oh, accept all and close because I can't be bothered with you at the minute. It doesn't look like we made we made 11.1 million. That's not bad when you take we spent 9.6 on distribution alone. 22 million pound in sales. Do you know what? I may be fumbling around, but we're making money. That's the main thing. Reviews. In conclusion, we like what Lost World of Eba has to offer. We don't expect it to sell very well. They should up their marketing game. We should look if we can port it as well. In conclusion, we like what Journey to Bamba has to offer. It's probably not going to sell many copies. They need to build a fan base in this market. This is true. We do. But we should definitely look into porting those 2 games. So, we've done it the other way up now, haven't we? We're at the top. So, let's go here. We're going to go port. We're going to go OK. We're going to go... Oh, look at that. There's 2 shoe dropper. I'm going to do all 3 of those. Like so. We are going... I didn't even look at the new hospital game to see if that could be ported. Port those 3. Yes. I am going to pause that a second, though. So they can do 1 job at a time. I don't want to overburden them. A port. Can we port that? Yes, we can. We can port it to that one, and that one. And I think that's good. Again, we'll make that important, but pause it. So they can do 1 job at a time. Now, I can't imagine porting the games that... I'd imagine that's quite quick, right? He says. We will find out when they come in and start work. Yeah, porting seems to be going quite quickly there. Double Vision iteration, so we can end that. They're going to get underway again. I'm going to let that carry on for a little bit before we start bigging it up in the press. Because I would like to have some sort of product first. A visitor looking to strike a deal doesn't like my foyer. That's fine. That's how it goes. We could do a specific... Oh, I like how the snow gathers on the roof. That's nice. I've never noticed that before. We could do a new sort of visitor area rather than just a corridor with a reception in our new suite. I think off screen, before the next episode, I'm going to build a new support center over here next to the marketing suite, which would empty this entire building out then. And we can either tie this building into the main building or get rid of it. That is also an option. I do also think in the future we need to start looking at printing our own products. Because there's an entire conveyor belt system in the game now, which before you just had printers and pallets, and it would print and then put them on the pallets, and then you'd hire couriers to take it out. But now there's an entire conveyor belt system that you have to set up and everything. It's quite impressive what keeps getting added to this game. If you like the look of this game, go and buy it. I swear, you'll really enjoy it. It is a great game. Once you get that initial hit as a first company and start getting some money in, then you can really expand. It does get a bit confusing when you get so many products on the go. And I would like it to be a bit easier to set up automation for each of those. But I understand why it's not so easy. We made 8.5 million in sales, which is a massive drop in all fairness, from 22 million down to 14 million. Distribution is less. I don't understand why. Why? Yeah, just why. Dividends is 184,000. I'll take that. Interest, yeah. What's our internet bill? Internet's gone back down, which is nice. We could take some more hosting jobs if there are any. Hosting, 144, except on server 10. And I think that's probably it, right? Yes. So do we have both of those still hosted now? Yes we do. Not a lot of space at all. But it saves them having a server, I suppose. Why did our sales drop so bad? Wait, that from there up is our new products that we're pushing. So in stock, 258,000. They're all doing okay. Like past month. That one didn't sell very well. Hospital manager back in action. We are going to port it though, so hopefully that will improve sales on all our games. Now our games teams aren't doing anything in a minute, but that's fine. I might put them on to supporting their games. So if I assign, I don't even remember who it was who was doing what. Or we could just get them onto their next versions of the game. I really need automation. So these gaming companies, the whole point of this gaming companies was they would carry on just making products in the background. And the issue is there is just no... Let's go to hiring again. We're going to go to leads. Yes, we want... Hey, automation is very important. We're going to go like that. We're going to go begin looking. Are any of you great in HR? And I want HR and automation. You're not bad. What am I missing? Handling hiring. That could be worse. You can do automation, so I might hire you for one of our teams. So let's put you in. Who's not producing? I don't think anyone's producing anything. Let's put you in box full of kittens. Okay. We are going to hire you. I've completely forgotten your name, but that's fine, because when we go to here, if we go to box full, pause a minute, I'm going to try and sort these teams out. Employees. Oh no, manage roles. Here we go. So this is our manager at the moment. We just hired you. So you are now leader. Which is good. You can't deal with hiring, which is fine. I don't mind that. But you can. You can be a team. So let's go here. We're going to go project name. I'm just going to go box full of kittens. Okay, box full of kittens. I don't even remember what game they made now. So design teams, not you, not you. Box full of kittens, thank you. That one, not you and not you. Box full of kittens, thank you. Secondary dev team, again, I don't think I want one. I'm just going to put box full of kittens all the way down. They don't need a secondary dev team, do they? Can I not just put none? Oh, none. Ah, there we go. Let's do that. None. The design phase is usually shorter than the implementation phase, but you can use a secondary development team to run projects in parallel and pick up any slack. No, that's fine. Pre-marketing, yes, yes. Post-marketing, again, why would it be core? Marketing and marketing. There we go, perfect. This one will be server 0. Prototype software. Now I'm sure... I don't remember which teams made what, so we're just going to put them on Journey to Bamba. Or active users, actually. Lost World of Eva seemed quite popular. Let's get you done. We're going to go server 0. Development time, again, 200%. So it's. I want the game to be perfect. Iteration cooldown, 5 months, I think I did last time. Hype, yes. Is all this the same? Use single IP, use own licenses where possible, yes. Handle marketing, yes. Why not? Physical copies. Oh yeah, because we're not going to have marketing up here anymore if we automate it all. That would be nice. Physical copies, I want... a million, don't I? Is that a million? Yes. Printed copies, none. I think that's good. Leader. Box full of kittens. You. And I've done that wrong. I've just noticed the name's very, very, very wrong there. Let's get rid of that. There we go. I'm going to press OK. And now box full of kittens is automated. That is lovely. I'm going to drop all my automations down to here. So they're out the way. We're going to speed it up a bit. Yes, I may now need to have to put a new desk in there for the old leader. This is box full of kittens. Can we squeeze a desk in anywhere for that old leader? I'm going to say yes, actually. I'm going to say, if I go duplicate and put you there, then we can go that one, rotate it round. Yeah, that seems nice. These are like private desks for people who don't want to talk to others. That looks good to me. So now we've got 2 extra desks in the team. So let's go to box full of kittens. We're going to go HR management. And we've got 2 extra. One's taken. So we might as well have another programmer. Like so. Education level, I'm going to put that up. That looks good to me. You're all good. Carry on. Perfect. And that is what I want. I want all of, like, I want Black Box, Saber, all of them to be automated. So we may have to look for some more automation. Oh, they can't deal with hiring, can they? I forgot that. So let's hire a new programmer for them. I don't know what you need in gaming. I'm going to go 3D, because eventually gaming's going to go into the 3D market, right? Or audio? Should we go audio? We'll get a new audio person for them. We're going to go begin looking. I want, this is definitely for box full of kittens. Compatibility, I think, is important. And we're going to go with you. You are now hired. That's good. Let's get rid of that. And everyone's happy. Now I just need to find leaders for all the other teams. Which is good. Let's go to hiring. Let's see if we can get another leader. I don't mind spending money here. So compatibility for leader is really good. HR. I want HR and automation. Those are the 2 we're looking for. Handle post-release. I would like automation to be the top one. Did I search the wrong thing here? Because all of these seem to have HR. Wait. Let's go back to here. Automation. Fire inspection. 1 fire alarm violation. Where? Where is that fire? Where? Here. This room here. Did I not put a fire alarm in here? Yes, there's one. I don't understand how that's not a violation. Look. I'm going to duplicate it and put another one in just in case you don't believe me. Let's put it in there. Which would be an ideal space for some vending machines, actually. Don't get distracted. Go back to hiring leaders. Automation. Completely to the top. Let's have a look what we've got. Compatibility doesn't... Oh, yeah, it does. So let's go Sabre, for example. We want good compatibility. You're really good, but not... Ah, there we go. You'd be ideal. I'm going to check out all the normal just to see if there's anyone better. Which I doubt it. Doubt it very much. Yeah, I think that one's going to be fine. They can't deal with hiring, so we'll have to do that. But eventually they will get that skill, hopefully. So we're going to hire Julia Beck. Julia Beck is now part of the Sabre team. So we'll go to Sabre. We're going to go to Manage Roles. And Julia Beck is now the leader. I've just demoted Ariel Hansen. Sadly, you don't have the skills I need. So Sabre needs... Where is Sabre? Sabre, where are you? Over here. You do have an extra desk already. How many people have you got on your team? 15. 6, 12, 13, 14, and the leader 15. Ooh. I don't know if we can get another desk in here. I suppose we could just do that and duplicate it along, which works. Eventually, when we make enough money, these people will have lovely big offices. That's the plan. But for now, not so much. So now we can do you, and we can go... I'm just going to call the project Sabre. We are going to go and get rid of... Why does it keep putting core in? I don't want core. I want the Sabre team. And let's turn those off. So that's off. Sabre should be somewhere at the top, which it is. None. Okay. None. Okay. So automation is happening. I'm happy now. Post-marketing, none. We want marketing and marketing nights. Thank you very much. That one is going to go on server 0. Prototype software. Now, what are we doing? We're doing... Oh, wait. World of Eba they're doing, aren't they? So if you do Journey of Bamba. Do we think? Is that right? Let me just double check. What are you working on? Options. What are you working on? Nothing. You're not working on... I'm sure that was what we went for. Oh, has it gone? Oh, it's so annoying when the windows close. Anyway, going back to Sabre. Sabre. I'm sure it was that one. Yeah, we're going to... Oh no, look. None. Sabre. Thank you. None on that one, right? Yeah. None. Sabre. We don't need secondary teams. We will probably need secondary teams when it comes to like operating systems and things like that. Marketing is good. Core, we're going to go nope and put marketing in. Thank you very much. You are going to be server 0. You're going to be... Wait, what was it? Journey to Bamba is the one you're going to be working on. I've made a decision. If we end up with 2 of the same, we do. Server 0 again. We are going to go 200%. If you know any different about this development time, please let me know in the comments below. I'm just presuming 200% is better than 100%. Iteration cooldown, we are going to go 5. Everything else, use own licenses when available. Handle marketing. Physical copies, 1 million. And you're done. You can now start. You need to pick a leader. Yeah, I do. You're right. Leader, Sabre team, you. Okay. And the Sabre team is underway, automated as well. Which is really good. That's exactly what we want. How is porting going? Porting's doing fine, actually. We can start the next porting project. Silent Base 94 is almost finished its second iteration. Double Vision is doing very well. I might start marketing that. 97 seems quite extreme. We're in February 93. I'm looking at September 94 for release, I'm thinking. So we're going to do that. I may be wrong, but it's always worked out before, so it'll be fine. Which is Double Vision. If we go market, let's do an early press release. Try and build up as many followings behind that 3D software as possible. How's marketing doing? Marketing's doing fine. We're marketing all of those, which is good. Oh, I feel more in control now. Now we've got things working. Who's not got a project? Box for the kittens, they're fine. Black box is our next one that we need to automate. And then in the next episode, we're definitely setting up an operating system. We'll just start doing our own. And then eventually, if we do get another company, we can basically stick with whichever one's more popular or alternate them. We could alternate them. That would work. How much money are we making? We made 13 million in sales. After all expenses, we took home 8 million. Can't keep up with support for Silent Base 90. I know, you're just really struggling. How about we put Black Box on with you? Will that help? Because everyone else is busy. I'm pretty much sure everyone else is busy. That might help a little bit. We definitely need a new support team. So yeah, between now and the next episode, I'm going to do a new support building. We're probably going to double the size of the team just so we've got plenty. We are also, bear with me, I'm just looking for some hosting jobs because I'm quite intrigued to see if we do actually make money off more. Yeah, so support team's going to happen before the next episode. Next episode, set up an operating team so we can make our own operating system. And I think everything else is going swimmingly. Black Box will leave working with support for the time being whilst they're struggling. And in the next episode, we're probably going to hire a new leader and get them automated as well. So we can pretty much forget about our gaming teams. They can just get on with it. Same as the 2D team. And I'm actually tempted to put the core teams on automation as well. I think we could probably get away with that. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe. It does help the channel. And until next time, I'll see you again.